If you are working as a mobile money agent or a bank agent, you know how much work it takes to keep track of your finances each day. But what if there was a better way? A way to streamline things and maybe even make more money without working longer?
It is difficult for agents in Tanzania. They have to manage float from different mobile money providers and track all the different transactions all while running their business and serving their customers. It's a lot.
That's what we are going to be talking about today, the Wakala Agency Banking System. You might know it as Mfumo wa Kusimamia Biashara ya Uwakala. This system was built to help you easily manage your finances, see how your business is doing anytime, and even see how you can grow your business.
A lot of agents struggle with focusing on just the daily tasks, but Wakala helps you see the bigger picture of your agency so you can make better decisions for the long term.
That means Wakala can help you do your work more easily, but also it can help you make more money. So how does Wakala work? It's actually a key part of something called the TSSFL technology stack. It's kind of a fancy way of saying it's a set of web-based cloud platform solutions that were built to support everything from financial management to learning and research.
What we see here is that agency banking relies on a lot of powerful technology working behind the scenes.
Here's something that might surprise you. You know those cool maps that you see of the Earth that show global temperatures? Those are actually made with the same TSSFL technology stack. Pretty amazing, right? It really shows you just how much the TSSFL technology stack can do.
If it can make detailed visualizations of global data, it should definitely be able to handle the data from agency banking.
Let's talk about how Wakala can actually benefit you as an agent. What can it do for you on the ground? What are the real benefits?
At its core, the Wakala system brings all of your financial data together into one place so you can easily understand it. It works with all of the different mobile money platforms that you use, like M-Pesa, Tigo Pesa, and Airtel Money. It even tracks your cash transactions too.
So agents don't have to try to remember everything or write everything down.
Yeah, it gives you a really simple way to record all of your transactions every day, and then it stores it all so you always have a record. It keeps track of everything you do from the day you start using it.
That's like a whole history of your agency's finances. I bet that's super valuable to be able to look back and see what happened in the past.
Exactly. It can give you really valuable insights because all of that data can be used to create reports. You can see reports on different time frames and for different transaction types. You can even see it as tables or as charts.
Charts are so useful to understand things visually. I bet being able to see your agency's data as charts helps you to spot trends.
Exactly. You can start to see trends and connections that you would never see if you were only looking at numbers. For example, you could see which services are most popular on different days of the week or how your float levels change over time. That helps you make better decisions about how to manage your money.
That makes so much sense. Instead of guessing about what to do, you would know for sure based on your data.
Exactly. Wakala helps you to change from just reacting to what happens every day to planning out a real strategy for your business. And it even has tools that help you make charts and graphs without having to know any complex coding.
Wow. So agents could see which mobile money platform their customers prefer the most, or even when they're the busiest. That could really help them to change how they run their business and even advertise to new customers.
Wakala even helps you to connect with other agents in the My Wakala forum.
Oh, that's really cool. So it's not just some technology tool. It helps agents to join a community of other agents. What kinds of things can agents do in this forum? Can they work together on things or help each other out?
Exactly. It's a great place to share your experiences as an agent, ask questions, and help each other solve problems. It's like a built-in network of support that's there to help you. That kind of support is incredibly valuable.
It's really helpful to have support when you are an agent, and Wakala gives you that.
And Wakala is always improving too. TSSFL is always making it better and adding new features based on what agents want to see. They are even thinking about adding support for e-commerce platforms and even government services.
So it sounds like Wakala is built to change as agency banking in Tanzania changes. That makes me think that it's a really good investment for agents because it can change as their needs change.
Yeah, they're always thinking about the future. They know that the needs of agents will change, so they are always ready to change Wakala too.
We've talked about how Wakala can help you track your finances, how it can help you monitor your business, how it can help you use your data to make better decisions, and how it can help you connect with other agents. For our listeners who are thinking about whether they should use Wakala, what would you say is the biggest benefit? Why should they use Wakala?
It all comes down to Wakala giving agents more control over their businesses. It gives them the tools and the information that they need to be successful. It helps agents easily track their finances so they don't make mistakes. It helps agents see how their business is doing even if they are not there. It helps agents learn from their data so they can make better decisions. And it also gives them a community of support to help them.
So Wakala is not just for keeping track of transactions, right? It actually helps agents grow their businesses. It helps agents spend less time on paperwork and to see how their business is doing financially. It helps agents learn about finance and how to make better decisions. It helps agents give their customers better service. And ultimately, it helps agents make more money.
Yes. When you can see your customer data and see how your business has been performing, you can start to change how you do things to better serve your customers. You can see if there are any services that people really need.
If you're listening in Tanzania and you're thinking to yourself, this sounds great, how do I learn more and get started? What should you do?
You can contact TSS SFL directly. Just call 0762-896-544 and you'll be able to learn more about Wakala and how to start using it.
That's the number to call, 0762-896-544. And here's what you need to remember about Wakala. Wakala Agency Banking System. Empower your business. Empower your future.
That sums it up really well.
Think about it. If you had all of your financial data right there in front of you, how would that change how you run your business? What could you do differently? What new opportunities would you see? It's something to think about.
I think a lot of agents will be surprised by the things that they learn about their businesses.
That's all the time we have for this deep dive. Thanks for listening.
See you next time.